Hi, John here from Gardco, Bit Gardner, for another thrilling and exciting episode of Stories by Gardco. James is with us. How you doing today?
Good, John. How are you?
Uh, can't complain. Can't complain. Springtime's getting warmer down here in Tennessee, so all good. Not as warm as you though. James is lucky enough to be down in Florida.
It's Fort Lauderdale, Pompano, South Florida area. It's always nice,
Nice.
warm, and balmy. So
Yeah, love your tan. So anyway, this edition, we're talking DFTs, dry film thickness gauges. Tell us a little bit about, what you cover in that realm at Gardco.
yeah, so dry film thickness gauges are used for measuring coating thickness on all types of
Mhm.
substrates: aluminum, steel,
Okay.
plastics, wood. And we sell an array of DFT gauges from all the manufacturers, such as DeFelsco, Fisher, Automation, Electrophysique, all of the DFT gauges that we carry
And
are,
Vic.
of course, of
Oh,
that's what
where's my shirt? There we go.
uh,
There we go.
the big DFT gauge,
Yeah.
uh, along with the protective coatings field kit from BIC, which
Oh,
had
yeah.
need all in one case, right? So I think the DFT gauges we carry are as it's a complete line of instrumentation to cover all application needs for measuring film thickness on an array of substrates.
And you have, correct me if I'm wrong, destructive and non-destructive, right?
Primarily, I mean, the customer base is always looking for a non-destructive way to measure film thickness.
Yeah, of course.
Materials don't allow the measurement using traditional electronic gauges, and we do carry DFT gauges like the Took gauge. Uh,
Okay.
been around for a very, very long time. It's still used. Destructive test. We also have called the paint inspection gauge, or referred to
Oh,
as the PIG. That's also
yeah.
another destructive type of test, which uses a
Okay.
scribe, cuts through the coating. You look through an eyepiece to determine the layer thickness for testing DFT on substrates that aren't traditional. Maybe something to the order of carbon fiber, which is hard to
Okay.
hang an electronic gauge. The
Hmm.
DFT gauges are suited for substrates that traditional electronic gauges can't do.
Okay. So it really depends on your substrate, what you're trying to measure, and you out there. A great feature of our website at gardco.com is a chat feature. So you can immediately chat with our technical specialists, and they can help guide you if you're a little unsure about which is the best or recommended way to go in terms of products. Um,
And that chat feature is a nice function to the website, but most
yeah.
important, you can actually call and talk to somebody. You can call us up, speak to a salesperson. We're always
Yeah.
available for you. And I think
Yep.
that's most important is that having that communication with the customer and our
Yep.
availability. And we pride ourselves on being able to have that the technical knowledge internally
Yeah.
answer all the questions.
Yeah, and it's amazing. The team is amazing there, based on the thousands of products Gardco houses. You guys know everything about everything. And if you do get a stumper there, you guys know where to go and find that information and get back to the customer quickly. So, we appreciate that.
You're right, John. The tenure of our customer service agents probably averages 15, 18 years. We
Yeah.
have people that have been working. I mean, I've been with the company for 32 years. We have other
Wow.
individuals that have been there close to 40.
Yeah.
So it's, once you start working with Gardco, you stay with Gardco. And I
Yeah.
hope the customers do the same.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's funny. Me personally, 2 jobs ago, I was working with the same person at Gardco as I am today. So, that just speaks volumes of that tenure, that knowledge, that expertise. So, great organization, no doubt about that.
Thank you, John. Appreciate that.
You bet. So, thank you for your time talking a little bit about DFTs, and we'll see you on future Gardco stories. Thank you.
Thanks again. Bye bye.